a legal entity. That's it. So if you're talking about this, it makes no difference between a public company and private company, company limited by shares and companies limited by guarantee. Same thing for perpetual succession. Some students bring in this point, perpetual successions, but don't even know what to think. Perpetual successions means after the owners pass away, these shares can be inherited by the beneficiaries. So your company will forever be there, so long as there is a beneficiaries to take over the company. So again, it applies to all company, alright? So any points that are equally applicable to all or both types of company shall not be used as a point because it doesn't justify your choice, alright? And also, don't use all those big words without any meanings that you can contribute through the reasoning, like credibility and public trust. Now, these are all the big words that your AI always like to use, which carry no meanings, let me tell you. Alright? Now, what is public trust? Are you saying that a private company only have public trust, or only a public company have a public trust? How do you legally justify this public trust? There is no such thing, right? And then talking about long-term growth, business growth, or all these things. All this is not a reason for you to choose a company. And also, these questions ask you to choose between different types of company, not for you to compare with partnership and sole proprietorship. So that is also not the directions that you should look into. Alright? So the direction should be comparing between the companies only. Alright? So you need to be mindful on all these things here. So these are the things that I hope I can help solidify. One is based on limitations of the liabilities of the members. Another one is based on the status, either private or public. So in your reasoning and your conclusions, your company should have both of these. Yeah? In terms of the liability of the members and also the status, you have to include both. So your justifications, you can have one justifications based on the liabilities of members, another three based on the status. Alright, and your conclusions, always remember you need to include both. Alright, if you only talk about private company without saying it's limited by shares or limited by guarantee, you're going to lose a lot of marks there. Alright, so these are the things that you need to look at. Alright, so assignment only cover